Hello members of Tambol Math class. We have on the board a very interesting Olympiad mathematics question. And the question reads, if a plus b plus c is equal to 6, a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to 14, a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed equals 36, then what is the value of a times b times c, a, b, c? I would like to start by squaring the left and the right hand side of the first equation. Very important. From there we can come up with an expression that we need to proceed. So if I have a plus b plus c squared, this is the same thing. What is the expansion of this? This is the same thing as a squared plus b squared plus c squared, right? Plus 2 times ab, ac, BC, right? Something like this. But we already know what a plus b plus c is, which is 6. So this is 6 squared equals a squared plus b squared plus c squared is 14. So we have 14 plus 2 times the whole of that. Let me repeat. AB, AC, BC. So I would like to solve for this one. Should I do that mentally to minimize space? This is 36. 6 squared is 36. If you bring this one to the left, it is going to become negative. So you have 36 minus 14, which is 22. Then you later divide by 2. I hope you're getting it. I don't want to write everything. Take this one to the left. It is going to be 36 minus 14. So you can see it is going to be 22 equals 2 times the whole of this. And if you are looking for this, you divide that 22 by 2, you get 11. So the whole of this is 11. Mentally, please, you have to employ the idea of mental math. So AB plus AC plus BC equals 11. Keep it here. Then I would like to introduce the cubic identity. Cubic identity A cubed plus B cubed plus c cubed. This is equal to a plus b plus c in bracket multiplied by a squared plus b squared plus c squared, then minus, let me put a bracket here as well, a b plus AC plus BC. Wow, it's too long. Close this bracket, then we still have minus 3ABC. Oh my God, this is a cubic identity. This one is 36. This one is 6. This one is 14. That one is 11, and this is what we are looking for. So let me see if I can squeeze it here. This is 36, so we have 36 equals, this is 6 multiplied by, this is 14 minus, this is 11, close it, then minus, I hope there is no any mistake here. Is this not a plus? Please let me just recall. Let me recall, please. I don't want to make any mistake. Okay, this is the plus, sorry. This is the plus. Plus 3ABC. So we can solve for ABC in that equation. This minus this 3, right? And 3 times 6 is 18. So this is 36 equals 6. Okay, let me write everything because this is 3 times 6 is 18. Then plus 3ABC. Subtract 18 on both sides. You have 36 minus 18 is 18. So this is 18 equals 3ABC. B, C, right? And finally, you divide both sides by 3, and A, B, C is equal to, this time around, let me write it because I have space. A, B, C that we are looking for is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Wow, very interesting question.